Oh, we gotta do that. No.
You can walk. 2, 3. Come on, Zara.
5, 6.
Keep walking.
6, 7. Oh, Zara took 7 steps. Yay!
Charisma.
I got that.
There she goes. You don't have the steps? Oh, sorry.
You're distracting her. She's on a mission to get into the closet.
Oh, she is. Okay. Boy, she can really go now, can't she? She's got a lot fast.
Barb, can you just go up behind her?
I want to play with what's in the closet.
Ha ha! Say yay!
You did it! Yay! She's in the closet, Minnie.
Well, now she's gonna go down.
He wants the camera.
You come downstairs? No, she says. That's too much work.
Oh, clap! Up and down to make us clap. You naughty girl.
You're so cute, aren't you, huh?
So go down safe.
There you go. You gonna come down? You come all the way down now? Huh? Come on.
Careful when she claps, though.
We have to clap at every step. Oh, this is new.
Yeah, she
This is how she splashes, too.
Oh.